What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Addict USA. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today I have right next to me a beautiful 2016 SRT where we're launching a new product that Dial Dynamics just released. We're going to be going ahead and adding the side marker with the LED strip, giving our client a complete amber delete where we give the side marker with a black housing and a nice sharp LED strip, and on the back as well, taking out that red side marker on the rear side of that car and giving him exactly the same exact style with the red housing and a nice LED strip going down. Alright guys, as you can see, Dial Dynamics, this is a fresh product that just released with them. The LED side markers where a lot of the Mopar owners have been dying to do this. Before we even got our hands on this, we used to tint the side markers to just give it a nice smoke look. Now you're gonna get the side markers being smoked and a nice sharp LED line. You can't complain. Let's go ahead and remove the OEM ones, get this whole product installed on the Charger and show you guys the after results after that. Alright guys, as you can see, the side marker just removed from the front bumper on the passenger side. I just dropped the screw. Before that though, as you guys know, you have to get a T20 to make sure you unplug the screw that plug in on each side. You got two of them, one on the top and one on the bottom. You can use a socket or you can do it by hand. They're not tightened very tight. As long as you put that T20 in there, you give it a nice little pressure to unscrew it, you'll be able to access the light without removing the bumper. So this is an easy hack where all you have to do is remove the clips on the liner and just get your hand in there and get that T20 in there and remove the screws. Alright guys, just an overall, before I even put this thing on the passenger side, I can already tell a huge difference. Amber, us car enthusiast people, we definitely like more cleaner look with a flush finish. This will still give you the amber LED lights in the front, but you get that nice smoke finish to give your car that little detail, fine touch that's gonna make it stand out from others. So definitely highly recommend it. I love Dial Dynamics' new product release. And if you guys are interested, do not forget this link will be posted in the description below where you can buy it directly from our website. It's free shipping. And if you guys are local to us, we do offer labor service for you guys. The cool thing about Dial's product, guys, it's the same thing as an OEM. It's a plug and play product where you don't have to really wire anything up. The way that this was removed from the harness on the car, this will plug in directly, the same thing to give you power. Let's go ahead and test that out, see it for the first time on the car and show you guys the results adding these new side markers for the Dodge Chargers. Alright guys, before I put the T20 screws, since this is my first time installing this new product, I want to test it out to make sure everything works well. I don't want to put everything back and then turn it on and it doesn't turn on, so I don't do double the work. Something that I like to do when I try new products in our company here. So let's go ahead and test it, show you guys the amber if it works, and if it's good to go, we'll go ahead and put everything back. Alright guys, as you can see, we're going to start on the other side, but before I continue, we just wanted to thank Edgar for letting us bring his car, the first Mopar officially in our new facility that we just moved in. We are super excited, guys. We're able to add more cars, do more work for you guys. So thank you guys for your support. All the love that we're getting on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. Again, thank you, Edgar, the first Mopar to work in the new facility, adding the side markers. Again, thank you guys again, and let's continue the job. guys, as you can see, the side markers are fully installed on both sides, on the front and the back as well. I'm extremely happy and satisfied with this product that Dive Dynamics just released. As you can see, the housing is all black, blends extremely well, gloss on gloss. It's got a nice sharp LED line going from the top all the way downhill to highlight the amber color in the front. Alright guys, if you guys want to come down a little bit closer to the back, as you can see, it's always amber in the front but red in the back. But again, the housing on the side marker is all blacked out. Again, a good combination to blend gloss on gloss to keep this car looking extremely well with the details that it deserves. Again, a nice sharp LED line going from the top all the way to the bottom, highlighted on both sides so the car can stand out at nighttime when the full lights are on to display the side markers that Dive just launched. There you guys have it, Dive Dynamics side markers just released for the Mopar Dodge Charger. This product will be available on our website, free shipping. You can also finance if you need to add some more products on top of that. But I think it's a must-have product for all Mopar. Just like our Camaro builds, it's one of the first details that I believe you should add for your build. It's gonna give you guys that sporty luxury look, and on top of that, you will have the LED sharp lines going from top to bottom. Amber in the front, red in the back. Dive Dynamics, again, killing it with their products. Go ahead and let us know what you guys think about this product, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out and hear your feedback. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. We do have a lot more builds coming out to show you content. Hey, little by little, we are starting the Mopar scene, so stay on the lookout for that. Make sure you guys hit that bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.